Hi everyone. Okay, today we want to look at subtractions in fraction. Okay, let's look at this example here. Let's say you have 7/8 mooncake. Okay, you can see this is 1 and this one is 7/8. Okay, only one piece is missing. And then you minus 5/8. So 5 out of 8 were taken. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 were taken away and they are here. This is the original missing part. So what's the answer here? So before you minus, you need to make sure that the bottom number or the denominator, they must be the same. So here you can see that both are 8. So when both are 8, then you can minus. So here we have the round number on the left. Here we don't have. So you just take 1 minus nothing equals to 1. So 1 minus 0 is 1. And then the top number, 7 minus 5 is 2. The bottom number you do not change. You just copy 8, 8, and 8. Okay, so this is not your final answer yet. You still can simplify it. You divide 2 because they are in times table 2. So 1 you do not simplify, only the fraction. 2 divided by 2, 1. 8 divided by 2, 4. So your final answer is 1 and a quarter, or 1/4. Okay, example 2. Find the remainder when 2/7 is subtracted from 1. Subtracted from 1, that means 1 minus 2/7. Okay, you can see here the sentence. So what you do is 1, you need to change to the same fraction, the same denominator as 7. Now bear in mind that 1 equals to, it can be 2/2, 3/3, 4/4. Because 2/2 is 1, 3/3 is 1, 4/4 is 1. Remember the line means divide. So 4 divided 4 is 1. So 1 also equals to 7/7. So here we need to change 1 to 7/7. Why? Because we want to use the same bottom number. We want to use the same denominator. Then only you can minus. So when they are the same, then you minus. 7 minus 2, 5. The bottom, 7, 7. The bottom you just copy. So 5/7 is the answer. Number 3, find the difference between 4 and 2/4. Now, a lot of students make the mistake of you straight away take the round number. 4 minus 2 is 2, and then the 3/4 you copy. Now, this is not correct. So what you have to do is you break down the 4. The 4 you break down into 3 and 1. Okay, 3 plus 1 is 4, right? Now, of course, we cannot write 3 and 1. We need to write 3 and another fraction, 4/4. Okay, so this is also 3 and 1. Now, why 4/4? Because we need to minus 3/4. Okay, we want the denominator to be the same. That's why 4, we break down into 3, 4/4. Then only we minus. Now you can see that the bottom number are 4, then we only can minus. If they are different, we can't. So round number, 3 minus 2 is 1. The top 4 minus 3 is 1. The bottom 4, 4, 4. So you get your final answer. Okay, 2 more examples, then we are done. Okay, number 4. Look at the example here. So here you can see that the bottom number are all 9. So if they are the same, then we can minus. Okay, let's do step by step. First, let's minus the front part first. So 6 minus nothing is 6. The top 4 minus 2 is 2. The bottom is 9. Then we do the second part. Now what happens here? We have a problem. Now 2 cannot minus 7. 2 is too small. So here you need to change to improper fraction. Okay, remember how to change to improper fraction? Please watch my previous video. You times and then you plus. So 9, 6, 54 plus 2, 56. All right. And then the second one also change to improper fraction. Times and then plus. 9, 2, 18. 18 plus 7, 25. Okay, the bottom is still 9. Okay, the bottom doesn't change much. Okay, so now you can see that it is big enough to minus. Okay, 6 minus 5 is 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. Then the bottom is 9. Then you need to change back to mixed number. So watch my previous video. You have to divide it. Okay, 31 divided by 9. 3, 9, 27. Balance is 4. Quotient is 3. 4 over 9. So that's your answer. Okay, last one. Subtract 1 over 6 from 5. Now you need to use a bigger number to minus a smaller number. So 5 is bigger. So you need to put 5 in front minus the smaller one, 1. Okay. Now here you can see that the bottom are different. So what you have to do is you need to make them the same first. So one way of making them the same is you times each other. That means 5 you times 6, and then 6 you times 5. And then the bottom times 6, the top also times 6, the bottom times 5, the top also times 5. Okay, the round number is still the same, it's still 5. Okay, the top 2, 6 is 12. The bottom 5, 6 is 30. 1, 5, 5. 6, 5, 30. Now you can see that the bottom are the same. Then you can minus 5 minus 1, 4. Top minus top, 12 minus 5, 7. Bottom, 30. Okay, so that's how you do subtraction in fraction.